Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus iQOO 7 device. So these are the questions which I'm getting on the Realme X1 Max and iQOO 7 device, asking me to compare both phones side by side. As you can see friends, these are the comments which I'm getting regarding the RAM management. Let's see whether after the software update is there any kind of improvement in the RAM management or not in the Realme X1 Max device. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. Even the iQOO 7 also did receive the recent update as well, which is October security patch update. So let me need to show you exactly what is the Wi-Fi connection I have connected at this moment, because during the same of speed test and RAM management test, you should know definitely what kind of Wi-Fi connection my phone has been connected. Right now, as you can see friends, both phones are connected to the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network exactly. And let's see which phone has got what type of RAM availability and everything. I'll try to show you, because I'm trying to use the RAM expanded RAM capabilities in both phones, extended RAM capabilities as you can clearly see, and even in the Realme X1 Max also it got enabled. As you can see friends, fantastic. So both phones extended RAM capabilities is turned on, everything is clear from the background RAM management as well. So this is going to be really very interesting test to see which phones survive this kind of speed test and extreme RAM management test as well, using these 5 applications and these 5 games exactly. As you can see friends, clearly, let's see what will be the difference, Realme UI versus FunTouch UI difference, and after the recent updates. So I'm not using any high performance mode. There is no high performance mode enabled. Dimensity 1200 versus Snapdragon 870 chipset. Let's start 1, 2 and 3 with the first application, which is a Google Chrome application. Let me need to go back to the main page and let's start again. I did not close that everything. Yep. So slightly kind of iQOO was able to open slightly kind of fast a little bit, but not let me to open the mobiles and keep some mobile phone in the background RAM management. And there is a touch sampling rate application which I'm trying to draw some lines and keep in the background. And is a Flipkart. And this is after the recent software update friends. That's the reason I'm trying to mention again and again. After the recent software update, I'm just trying to check is there any kind of improvement happening in the Realme UI in terms of the RAM management or not, because we do know in the RAM management department the Realme struggles a lot. So when you compare with other stock UI and Oxygen UI and this FunTouch UI especially. Let's see today demonstration we'll be able to find out whether the Realme X1 Max can make it or not with this kind of testing. And in case if you want me to compare in any other topic, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to do this kind of comparisons as much as possible. And right now we'll be able to see the speed. So this both phones are connected to same Wi-Fi network. Okay, absolutely same Wi-Fi. And upload speeds are finished at this moment, not bad. So iQOO 7 is done with the upload speeds, it's finished. And next Realme X1 Max also done with the speeds. You can see friends clearly. Now let me need to open the Battlegrounds mobile game 1, 2 and 3. So as you can see, the iQOO 7 took some time to react for that kind of instant touch sometimes. So even though the iQOO 7 was able to open this logo first, then the Realme X1 Max, and it was able to log in. And the Realme X1 Max it did take a lot of time. You can see how much time the phone has took to just launch this Battlegrounds mobile game. So still it's taking its own time still. So a little bit kind of time the Realme X1 Max did take to show up the Battlegrounds mobile game. Next is the surface of game. So these are the very small games only, so it should not be much kind of difference. But even though the iQOO 7 was able to open slightly faster than the Realme X1 Max, even with these small games as well. As you can see, slightly, just a little bit faster, the iQOO 7 device was able to open. Just a little bit. Just in the small games, there is a few seconds difference, like milliseconds. In the Battlegrounds mobile game, big game, there is a huge difference. The main reason why I did include these small games and Battlegrounds mobile game is in the RAM management test, I just want to see whether the phone can actually keep this many games and applications in the background or not. First is iQOO 7 device and Realme X1 Max next. Now let me need to go to the home screen, and right now all the 5 applications and 5 games are completely open in both phones. Now you will be able to see everything in the background RAM management, as you can see friends clearly. Now let me need to start opening from the first application which I opened in the beginning, which is Google Chrome. And right now we'll be able to see whether the Chrome can actually open instant or not. Otherwise it will take some time to load or not. Let's see what happens. 1, 2 and 3. Boom. So iQOO 7 was able to instantly show the Google Chrome without any kind of reloading. and whereas the Realme X Max did struggle to show. Now let's see. So is the phone in the background, you can clearly see with the Amazon application. Exactly, let me do to tap at same time. So this is a Realme X1 Max and iQOO 7 device. Now we'll be able to find out the RAM management. 1, 2 and 3. Boom. So the iQOO 7 was able to keep this exact phone in the background, but Realme X1 Max did keep this electronics page in the background. It did not directly go to the home page. So if you remember, it did not go into home page. It did keep only electronics page in the background. That's something little bit kind of background, but not as good as iQOO 7 device. Let's see these lines. So touch sampling rate lines. Let's see what happens now. 1, 2 and 3. Boom. So iQOO 7 still, even in this case also iQOO 7 device. Even the Flipkart also. You may think why I'm not opening from here, because you should know that all the apps and games are completely open in both phones, because some of the users did mention that some of the applications are completely closed in this phone. That's the reason RAM management is not good. So you should see with your eyes, friends, what is going on in the live. That's the reason I'm trying to show everything as a proof. So iQOO 7 was able to keep this score in the background. Battlegrounds mobile game, it's there exactly in the iQOO 7 device without any kind of disturbance, nothing at all. Subway Surf there in both phones, no problem. Subway Surf exactly. So let's see the Candy Crush, will it be there or not. 1, 2 and 3. Candy Crush is not there in the background dimensions. Only one game till now it was there in the background. Yes, exactly, only one game. Angry Birds. So 2 games were there in the background RAM management in the Realme X1 Max. 2 games plus Flipkart is there in the background. So 3 total points for the Realme X1 Max. So this is a RAM management test comparison between both phones. Even after the recent update, still the phone was unable to load all this kind of applications and games in the background. RAM management, as you can see clearly what is going on. In the iQOO 7 device, there is no problem, nothing at all. Instant reaction is there in the RAM management. Even if I keep this phone locked and keep the phone side for about 15-10 minutes, in my unit I don't have any issues with the RAM management. I did do the testing as well. You can check out those videos where I did do similar kind of testing. But right now you can see how the reaction is instant. As you can see, friends. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.